Hey, it's your Uncle Hillbilly coming to you once again from Johnson County, Missouri. Hey, I'm gonna do a little, ain't talked to you for a while, so I'm gonna do a little weather, and it's nice. It's nice. A little storm come through last night and kind of warm. It's been humid, so humid you just walk out just start dripping wet. But anyway, it's old in the upper 60s right now, pretty nice. But I figured I'd wrap this up into weather and do a post-apocalyptic Independence Day celebration. If you ain't noticed, got something that's a little bit shorter now. I'm telling you right now, them people there on the TV, when they tell you to leave all that stuff to the highly trained professionals, take them for the word. Because old Uncle Hillbilly's a illy trained amateur. Let's just say I had a little accident with well, there's two things involved. It was called a misfired firework and natural selection. Anyway, that sucker went up like a dry stack of hay. Grabbed that thing and she crumbled up like one of them there bowls of cornflakes and frosted flakes, you know, them kinds of cereal stuff you eat for breakfast. I reached up, but it just fell right off. I was like, holy macaroni. Well, I was going to grow it till I stepped on it, but it's going to be a while now. So anyhow, weather's nice. It's, like I said, it cooled off some. They're talking getting hotter, and this weekend's supposed to get warm back up again. Get all sticky and humid, make your armpits kind of wet and nasty. But hey, it's summer. It's July. What do you expect? So, I guess that's about it. Like I said, this is a little one of them there PS announcements. If you don't know what you're doing, them there fireworks, you might want to leave them alone. Look at there. You still got all five. Still got all five with all the hands. That wasn't too bad, but oh, Uncle Hillbilly's buried one up. I'll tell you what, he stunk. Anyhow, I'll tell you what, well, they're there to see if Mama makes it. See if Mama wants to make an appearance. There she is. Hey, Mama. She don't like my videos. Oh, well. Anyway, y'all have a good day. It's been your Uncle Hillbilly. Hope y'all had a safe 4th. Hope y'all got all your digits and everything else. And we all survived. Just everything get a little shorter. She's a lot shorter. No scars. I survived. Peace out.